Hey guys and girls, in this video, we're going to take a look at the best mechanical keyboards. I made this list based on my personal opinion and tons of research, and have listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the mechanical keyboards in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with a hidden word in the video. Once we reach 1,000 likes, we will pick a winner and notify him. Coming at number 10, we've got the Azio Retro Classic Wireless. As its name suggests, this Azio mechanical keyboard will grab your attention with a beautiful retro design and the convenience of not having to deal with wires. We like that the computer accessory has taken cues from old school typewriters, an office fixture until the arrival of personal computers. Compatible with PC and Mac, the Retro Classic keyboard has a wood surface and an aluminum frame with a decidedly premium finish. The rest of its highlights include backlit keys, clicky switches, and up to a year of battery life between charges. Number 9. Razer BlackWidow Elite. All gamers should consider the reasonably priced Razer BlackWidow Elite mechanical keyboard. It has a cool design, excellent build quality, and a plethora of cool features, headlined by the gaming giant's own mechanical switches. They have precise linear tactility and quiet operation. The keyboard's functionality and RGB lighting are fully customizable via Razer's Synapse software suite. Dedicated multimedia keys are also among the key features of the Razer BlackWidow Elite. Coming at number 8, Akey GMG9. Priced at less than $30, the Akey GMG9 is a solid option for budget-conscious buyers looking for a compact mechanical keyboard. The keyboard has nice build quality and Atemu blue mechanical switches. The switches have excellent precision and tactility, but some might find them a tad too noisy. The 87-key Akey GMG9 lacks a numeric pad, so it won't take up too much space on your desk. We also like that the keyboard has a water-resistant design as well as handy media keys. Coming at number 7, Das Keyboard 4 Professional. The Das Keyboard 4 Pro is made for Mac users. It features brown cherry MX mechanical switches, which offer an excellent balance between precision, tactility, and noise, but are unfortunately not backlit. We like that the keyboard comes with a cable that's more than 6 feet long for added versatility. The rest of the accessory's key features include a pair of USB 3.0 ports and dedicated media controls, which include a handy volume knob. Das Keyboard's signature magnetic stand ruler is also on board, as is a front panel with an anodized aluminum finish. Number 6. Drop Alt Mechanical Keyboard. If you are looking for a mechanical keyboard that won't take too much desk space, this is your best option. The Drop Alt has an impressively compact design with 67 key layout that's focused on the typing basics. Developed by a community of mechanical keyboard enthusiasts, the Alt has easy-to-swap mechanical switches and covers, programmable features, and fully customizable RGB backlighting for its keys and frame. I tip my hat off to Drop for offering a cool selection of keycaps, which will allow you to make your keyboard your own. As expected from a product in this price range, the Alt keyboard has a machined aluminum frame with exceptional build quality. Despite its minimalist layout and unlike its rivals, the Alt has 2 USB-C connectors. A variant to the keyboard with a higher profile is also available. Drop also offers a more spacious 10-keyless version of the accessory dubbed Control. Coming in at number 5, Das Keyboard 5Q. The 5Q by Das Keyboard is a splurge-worthy, fully programmable offering that's superbly built and packed with cool features. Our favorite? The change in colors, enabled by RGB lighting, to send you discrete notifications, from Gmail and weather notifications to CPU and RAM usage alerts, among many others. DOS keyboard equipped the 5Q with Gamma Zulu mechanical switches, which have pleasantly soft tactility and reasonable noise levels. Dedicated media controls and bundled wrist pad are also among the accessory's notable highlights. DOS keyboard also offers a variant of the smart keyboard that's made with gamers in mind. It has the same amazing features and craftsmanship, but a slightly different design, with smaller volume knob. An IGN review editor noted that it's a great overall keyboard. Coming at number 4, Kinesis Gaming Freestyle Edge Split Keyboard. The highly rated Kinesis Gaming Freestyle Edge mechanical keyboard has split ergonomic design, which allows users to adjust its layout to their exact preference. The keyboard is available with various Cherry MX mechanical switches. We like that you can individually customize the RGB lighting of every key. The Freestyle Edge comes bundled with an exceptionally comfortable wrist pad. Kinesis Gaming also offers an optional lift kit, which allows users to adjust the accessory's height. Number 3. Logitech G9 15 Wireless. The Logitech G9 15 is hands down the best wireless mechanical keyboard. It's impossibly elegant, exceptionally crafted, and thanks to the tech giant's Lightspeed tech, capable of delivering uncompromisingly precise performance in wireless mode. It's not only sleek and beautifully tactile, but also ideal for lengthy typing sessions. They are as effortless to type on as it gets. A PC Mag review editor noted that the accessory offers the best of both worlds. You can choose between linear and tactile ones. The G9 15 has a surprisingly compact aluminum body, fully customizable RGB backlighting, and superb media controls. It can last for days between battery charges. Logitech offers a more affordably priced wired variant of the keyboard with the model number G815. I highly recommend it as well. Coming at number 2, Logitech K8 40. If you're shopping on a tight budget, the Logitech K8 40 mechanical keyboard is your best option. Priced well below $100, it has a pleasantly understated design, a sturdy top case crafted from anodized aluminum, a reasonable price tag, and the tech giant's proprietary Romer G switches. Engineered in Japan, the Romer G switches will impress you with excellent tactility and a surprisingly quiet operation. You can add commonly used keyboard shortcuts to the F keys via a Logitech software suite. In order to connect it to a PC, the keyboard requires a spare USB-A port. The only thing missing? Backlighting for the keys. Number 1. SteelSeries Apex Pro. The SteelSeries Apex Pro is elegant, superbly built, and packed with features that make it well worth its considerable price tag. What makes the Apex Pro keyboard stand out among its rivals are the brand's proprietary OmniPoint switches with adjustable actuation. The latter stands for the amount of distance a key needs in order to register a press. Users can adjust the sensitivity of the keyboard's individual keys from 0.4 to 3.6 millimeters via a SteelSeries desktop software suite, available for Windows and Mac OS. Rather impressively, the keyboard can store several custom profiles, thus guaranteeing that the Apex Pro is always optimized for the task on hand. The keyboard has a cool OLED display with customizable graphics, a frame that's crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, media controls with superb tactility. I love the rotating volume knob key, customizable RGB backlighting, and a bundled magnetic wrist pad. A more compact Apex Pro variant without a numeric pad is also available. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best mechanical keyboards. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.